Guys, it's a rotten trail, floodwaters are coming. We have to go across. We just have to go across that. We're going through the rapid marshes. The floodwaters are going through, the creeks going through the marshes. It's a abandoned trail. Oh, there's our stuff.
I love their shoes. Yeah, they're great.
Yay, Tessa! Cold water, that's freezing cold water. Haha. Go, Ollie. Freezing cold water, Ollie. Freezing cold. Oh yes, trekker, mountain trekker. Go, Ollie. Go, Ollie. Yay! So he does the muddy marsh step. Muddy marsh step. Oh, he's going off piste. Oh, off piste. The snakes and leeches almost got him. Have to check his ankles. Go, Ollie. It could be knee deep.
This way. Go.
Yay. How was that, Ollie? How was that? Is that good? Yay. Mountain trekker.